Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy text in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your document. Firstly, copy text is table is the any copy text is select and text copy is the mouse right button click, then click for copy, then any table press and click for right button and click for the paste option. So again another text copy, select the text and select the text and click for the copy, then paste. Then we show the copy text is table in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.